Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Trust Wallet application. If you want to change the language setting on Trust Wallet, first of all, open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device like you normally would. And once you're inside the homepage logged in, click on the gear button at the top left corner. After you do that, this will open up the Settings tab, from where you'll need to click Preferences. Under Preferences, click on App Language. Now it will take you to your device's settings menu from where you can choose your language. Click the language option from the menu and then select a different language of your choice. In order to change the language setting on Trust Wallet, you'll need to change the language setting on your device. So go ahead and do that, and it'll be able to help you update the language on your Trust Wallet app as well. So that's how it is, easy and simple. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.